Okay, this year I'm going to try to make it up to the Old Car Festival in Dearborn, Michigan. And I saw some fellow YouTubers video from last year, Ken Smith. He actually drove his, I think he's got a 4-door 31 Model A and lives just a little more north of me, and I think he lives in northern Tennessee. But he drove his Model A up, and I think it took a couple days to get up there and staying off of the major interstates. And his is pretty much original. I don't even think it's got an overdrive or any high performance parts, so it's pretty original. So I'm trying to get loaded up and gonna head up to Dearborn for the Old Car Festival this year, and we'll just see what happens. Let's see if she starts. Forgot to open the door. All right, everybody. We'll see you up there.